Can you really believe that so many people are still working in this old way that is so inefficient? Let's face it, most people have some sort of traditional 9-to-5 job where they're giving away their time to an employer in order to get a salary in return. However, there are so many problems with this old approach. When you're giving away your time, you have very little left for when you get home to do the things you really want to do and to spend time with the people you really want to spend time with. And sadly, this means that many people are unfulfilled in their lives and not happy with their job. Thankfully though, there is a solution to this problem. I still remember the moment when I realised this myself. I was in a great job as a managing director for the European arm of an international plastics company, enjoying good salary and benefits, but I wasn't fulfilled. I resented spending so much time in traffic each day, just commuting to and from my office. To be honest, I wasn't having much fun and found myself regularly getting bored as I lacked challenge in a company that I had already turned around and put on a journey of success. I was so tired of not having complete control of the business, as I still had a boss to report to, and although he was great, I knew that I was still trading my time for money and couldn't really spend my time doing what I wanted to do. So one morning I remember going to watch a video on YouTube about a musician when I was interrupted by one of those annoying adverts. You know, the ones that say you can skip this ad after 5 seconds. The ad was a young man called David explaining he had found a better way to work and live by making a change and starting and running an online business. David went on to explain that as long as he had his laptop with him and an internet connection, he could work on his new online business how, where and when he wanted to, having his website selling products and services for him on his behalf in an automated way 24 hours a day. And what David did for me was perfect. He said he wanted to help me start my own online business so that I could learn to work how, where and when I wanted to, and sent me a free video series explaining how I could get started. The free video series featured his mentor Stuart Ross, who explained that with a little time and commitment and the right mindset, anyone could set up their own online business from scratch. He explained exactly what you should consider, what you should do and what you definitely shouldn't do if you want to be successful. I have to admit I was a bit skeptical at first, but I decided to lean in and take a further look. So I watched the free video series, and I'm so glad I did because that video series honestly changed things. It was the beginning of a new life for me. I started my new online business. The good news for you is that I'm now at a point in my own journey where I want to do the same thing for others, the same thing that David did for me. So if you're watching this video right now and you want to learn how to follow David and me for the best of reasons and get the same benefits as us, a new independent way of working for yourself and learn how to start up and run your own online business from scratch, I'm more than happy to send you the same free video series that I received. I'll put a link somewhere around this video for you to click on, or you can visit my website at peterboulton.com and click on the free video workshop link. Enter your name and email address and I will send you the video series directly to your inbox. If you are someone who is open to learning some new ideas and putting in some effort into making this change from trading your time for money, not working for somebody else, and taking a positive step to work for yourself instead, I strongly recommend you just click on the link and have a look at the videos. You can then decide if this is something for you or not. I mean, it's for free, so there's no risk in checking it out. That's what I did, and that's honestly been one of the best decisions I've ever made.